What if your next vacation home didn't sit by the beach, but drove you there in first-class luxury? Imagine a motorhome with retractable balconies, holographic dashboards, and bedrooms that feel like five-star hotels. Today, we're diving into the top 5 most incredible luxury RV concepts for 2026. Designed so futuristic, you won't believe they're real ideas.
The 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Volvo is known for safety and clean Scandinavian design. But what if they built a motorhome? The exterior looks more like a spaceship than an RV, with smooth curves, adaptive LED lighting, and solar glass panels across the roof. Inside, it's all about minimalist luxury. Think open living space, panoramic windows, and seats that transform into beds with the push of a button. Here's where it gets futuristic. A smart AI travel assistant built right into the dashboard, planning routes, booking camp spots, and even suggesting scenic detours. Would you live in a Volvo RV like this? Drop your answer in the comments. But wait until you see the Ferrari concept coming up. It's pure adrenaline on wheels.
Ferrari and motorhomes? Sounds impossible, right? But picture an RV with the soul of a supercar. Low-slung aerodynamics, aggressive front grille, and even retractable side fins for stability. Inside, it's a mix of racing heritage and high-end luxury. Carbon fiber finishes, leather everywhere, and a cockpit-inspired driver's seat that feels like a Formula One car. Performance-wise, this concept imagines a hybrid V12 system, blistering speed, but efficient enough for long-distance travel. Here's the crazy part. The rear expands into a glassy sunroom lounge, so after racing across Europe, you could relax like royalty.
The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Futureliner. Mercedes already makes some of the most luxurious vans, so imagine them scaling it up to an RV. The Futureliner concept looks like a moving penthouse. Smooth silver body, hidden doors, and a rooftop deck that doubles as a solar charging station. Inside, it's all about space efficiency. A modular living area transforms at the push of a button. Dining room by day, cinema by night. Tech lovers will go crazy over this. Voice-controlled everything. Smart glass windows that tint on command, and even AR walls that can project starry skies while you sleep.
2026 Maybach Palazzo concept. If Mercedes is luxury, Maybach is ultra-luxury. This motorhome is designed like a rolling palace, gold accents, hand-stitched leather, and yes, a mini spa on board. The bedroom rivals a 5-star suite, complete with marble surfaces, climate control, and a private entertainment system. Here's the flex. The Maybach RV concept comes with a built-in chauffeur's lounge, meaning the owner never has to touch the wheel. It's luxury living, taken mobile. Would you prefer driving your own luxury RV, or would you rather kick back and let a chauffeur handle it? The 2026 Tesla Voyager. And of course, Tesla. The Voyager concept is all-electric with a 1,000-mile range powered by expandable solar wings that unfold like a futuristic spacecraft. The design, sleek, aerodynamic, with a glass canopy roof that turns opaque when you want privacy. Inside, it's minimalist but high-tech, self-driving capability, rotating captain's chairs, and a bedroom with smart climate zones that adapt to your body temperature. Here's the wild part. Tesla imagines this as a fully autonomous home on wheels, meaning you could literally sleep while it drives you to your next destination. So those were the top 5 most incredible luxury RV concepts for 2026 travel. From Ferrari's speed to Tesla's self-driving future, each of these designs shows just how insane luxury travel could become. Which one would you pick for your next adventure? The classy Volvo, the outrageous Ferrari, or Tesla's self-driving dream? Let me know in the comments.
Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos like this.